Why do 90% of ClickBank affiliates fail to earn big? Because they miss these simple steps. First, hop over to ClickBank and create your free account. Next, hit the Marketplace tab and explore the vast array of niches and products. For beginners, I recommend starting with e-business and e-marketing. Go for low-ticket products to ensure quick and easy sales, something like the Click Wealth system, priced at just $15.98. It has a high gravity score, meaning it's popular and converts well. Once you've picked your product, generate your unique affiliate link. Now, let's get an article written. Head to writesonic.com. Use their free plan to create compelling content. Finally, publish your article on vocal.media to drive traffic. Remember, consistency is key. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below for a chance to win my YouTube course for free. Happy affiliate marketing!